She looks in the mirror, sees a story unfold, lines of laughter, dreams.
Hello, it's Sweet Angel. It's a beautiful day, and I have some beautiful people over here on my channel, and I call them my beautiful babes, and I'm getting ready to share this beautiful recipe. Absolutely, drink this powerful drink to flush out toxins from the body. That's exactly what I'm sharing today. And beautiful babes, I am so glad you're here. Let's talk about it. What's in this amazing drink? So you see me cutting up some apples. Now, there is nothing that apples can't do. I tell you what, they are high in phytochemicals, which protects cells from damage that could lead to cancer, and pectin, which is fiber found in fruits. It is used to make medicine. People use pectin for high cholesterol, high triglycerides, and to prevent colon cancer and prostate cancer. It is also used for diabetes and GERD. It flushes out toxins from the body, especially food additives and trace metals. You see me cutting these apples up, so I took 3 apples and decored them, okay? 3 apples, and I am going to place those in the blender in just a moment here. So what you do need? Yes, 3 apples for this recipe. Now you're also going to need cinnamon, as cinnamon's antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory properties. It's going to restore balance in the body and combat free radicals. Cinnamon keeps blood sugar in check, which ultimately help you lose weight. So not only are you getting the best of both worlds, flushing out toxins, and something that'll help you lose weight. Amazing. Now, cinnamon also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which help with tissue repair. Cinnamon also reduces the level of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides in the body. This will help to cut down the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. In this blender, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the cinnamon powder, and also, of course, those 3 apples that we decored. Make sure you go ahead and just chop it up for easy blending, and do not peel the apples. You're going to need that great fiber. Yes, indeed. Keep it in there. Now I'm just going to add like a cup or a little bowl of ice into mine, because I like mine to be cold or chilled. And I'm also going to add a little over 8 ounces of water. Now, when it comes to drinking this, drink this before bed twice a week to flush out toxins from your body. This will do it. And I know the question is going to be asked, Sweet Angel, is this going to make me have diarrhea? Yes, that's what's going to get rid of those toxins. So yes, it will, which ain't a bad thing. But guess what? On the flip side of that, as I mentioned earlier, you may also shed a few pounds. So get rid of all of that mess out of your body by drinking this amazing drink. You're going to love it. It tastes like an apple pie, honey, so don't be afraid of it. Drink it down, and you'll be glad that you did, and you're going to thank me later. Yes, you will. It is not bad at all. Now I'm chugging down. This is probably well over 8 ounces right here, and I do have some left for later on, which is a-okay with me. This is an amazing drink and is so easy to do. Know this: apples are recommended to consume prior to a liver cleanse because the malic acid in the juice helps to open the ducts that run through the liver, allowing the liver to more easily be flushed. Did you know that cinnamon is an excellent source of manganese, calcium, and dietary fiber, and a good source of iron and vitamin K? It is truly amazing. And to do this, you will also find that cinnamon helps in you losing weight by suppressing your appetite, regulating your blood sugar levels, and speeding up metabolism. Awesome. Beautiful babes, it's a good one, so you might as well try it out. Very simple ingredients. All you need is apples and cinnamon and some water, and it doesn't get any better than that. And honey, flush out those toxins. You'll be feeling great in the morning and a whole lot lighter. For sure. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. I'm signing out for now. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today. I appreciate it so very much. If you enjoyed today's video, got some value out of it, if in fact you're going to try it, why don't you drop a like on it and let me know down in the comments after you introduce yourself. Tell me who you are, name, what city and state are you tuning in from, or country. I'd love to hear about that. Beautiful babes, I'm out of here for now, but you know I got more videos lined up for you, so make sure you stay in the know. Make sure you subscribe, hit the post notification bell, so as soon as I drop a new video, you are in the know. Absolutely. Thank you again, beautiful babes. Please don't keep me a secret. Tell everybody where you're hanging out at right here on Beauty by Sweet Angel. So please share me with your world, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Living your truth, letting love unfurl. Time can't define you, nor set you apart. You're for